Yo, Chuck. So this is going to be another video I'll let you share on your channel with the guys, okay? So what we got going on today is Buco major maintenance day for the Crown Queen. I'm going to chronicle everything that I just did to this thing and show you a couple other things real quick here. Let you guys get a kick out of my fastidiously arranged shelves and cabinets. I don't know why y'all like that stuff, but alright, I'll show it to you here. I know Chuck gets a kick out of it. And you know, while I'm at it, let me show you this thing. When's the last time you guys saw one of these units, huh? I wish I had some speakers to hook up to it so I could play it, but it's a combination cassette deck, 8-track, radio, tuner, and phonograph. Only problem is the phonograph don't work. This thing was built sometime between 1978 and 1982. That's what I kind of denoted from it. But yeah, it's my little vintage piece of equipment I wanted to show you there. All right, so here's our happy patient. And she kind of fought me on a couple things today. Bitch. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to say that out loud. All right, so here's what we got here. We changed the oil. We replaced the Serpentine belt. You know, probably wasn't due. It didn't look that bad, but I wanted to have that extra degree of insurance, you know. We cleaned out the mass airflow, cleaned out the intake, cleaned out the PCV. I remember you recommended that, Chuck. That's right, buddy. And then, let's see, what else did we do? Oh yeah, back here. I got her ample backside still kind of up in the air here. We also went ahead and changed that differential fluid. It was about 2 years ago that I did that the last time. So that's all been changed out with fresh, good stuff. And, you know, this thing's looking pretty still good under here, considering I put that exhaust system on about 2 years ago. That was done in April of 2019, so now we're way past that into 2021. It still looks pretty good under there. But, yeah, major maintenance day, and then there's still some more things I'm going to have to do to it as well. Flush the coolant, change the transmission fluid. That's going to be coming up here next. And, what do you say we start it up? It's always nice when you get major maintenance done. Last thing I'm going to do is check all the tire pressure. And after that'll be done, take it down to the stands and then clean up, and then got to go to the old grocery store. Alright, so there she is. She's been to the doctor and back, and she's fine now. Alright, well, you guys, y'all have yourselves a good day. Keep your smiles grinning, and keep your Panther wheels spinning. How you like that? That's a play on words from a Smokey and the Bandit line. Alright, peace out, y'all. Take care.